Hello. What's up, everyone? I'm Kamapoko, your friendly neighborhood novice forex trader, here to talk about some serious money moves and some not-so-serious life choices. How was your trading day yesterday? I just cashed out a trade a minute ago. A glorious, beautiful, 38-hour-long trade. Yeah, you heard that right. It took me a day and a half, but I finally locked in about 100 pips. Before we dive into today's analysis, let me walk you through this epic journey. As I mentioned in my last video, I entered my short position right here and closed it right here. I placed a sell order near the last swing high on the 4-hour chart and took my profit near the last swing low. My first profit target was around here, but I got a little greedy and wanted to hold on for the second target over here. Big mistake. The price pulled back, and my brain started doing a little dance called the panic. My stop loss was at break even, so I knew I couldn't lose any money, but when you see a bunch of profit disappear, it feels like you're losing. It's a mental game, you know? The only thing I could do was wait it out. My sleep quality was, let's just say, not great. I had nightmares about the chart going against me. I even dreamed I was being chased by a candlestick. By the way, you might be thinking, hey, doesn't holding a short on US dollar to Japanese yen for so long mean you have to pay a bunch of swap fees? Not for me. I used the Kawami account from some trading. No swap fees. Zip. Zero. Zilch. The spreads are low too. The downside? I don't get to collect swap points either. But hey, I'll take it. So, how was your trading yesterday? Did you slay the market or did the market slay you? Let me know in the comments. Also, I'm planning to share my analysis on the YouTube community tab, so make sure you subscribe to stay in the loop. Oh, and I also post super serious, detailed daily analysis on my blog. Check it out if you're into that sort of thing. Alright, let's get into today's analysis. For my weekly analysis, check my blog or last week's video. A weekly chart is like a billion times more important than a 1-minute chart. Don't at me. Let's start with the daily chart. As you can see here, we're in an uptrend. This is the recent swing high, and this is the last swing low. Things have been a bit messy lately. The price is just chilling, and I have no idea if it's going to go down to test that last swing low, do some sideways consolidation, or just moonshot to the heavens. For now, my bias on the daily chart is long. I'll stay bullish until the price definitively breaks below that last swing low. Now, let's look at the 4-hour chart. This thing is a total mess. We're in a downtrend, but the price action has been super choppy. This is our recent swing low, and this is the last swing high. The price is just bouncing around inside this range, trying to figure out what it wants to be when it grows up. If we count the Elliott waves, we just finished wave 1, and wave 3 hasn't extended yet, so there's a chance we could go lower. But, the price might also shoot back up to the top of the range. If that happens, this sideways action could be wave 2, which would be followed by a big drop. On the other hand, if this consolidation goes on forever, the sellers might get bored and the price could skyrocket. For now, my bias on the 4-hour chart is short. I'll be looking for sell opportunities until the price clearly breaks above that last swing high. The sell-off has a higher chance of success, but it's getting a bit unpredictable. Finally, let's check out the 1-hour chart. We're in a range here. My bias is still short though. We were in an uptrend, but the price broke below it, and this last swing is the new one. This is exactly where I took my profit earlier. Phew, good thing I did. In my humble opinion, I'll keep a short bias until the price clearly breaks above this level. However, I don't pay too much attention to the bias on the 1-hour chart. It changes faster than my mood on a Monday morning. Okay, so based on all that rambling, here's my plan for the day. You want to know my strategy? Bring me a drink and I'll tell you. Just kidding. I barely drink. Do you guys drink? Never mind, who cares? My plan is to look for sell opportunities. The 4-hour swing high is here, and the 1-hour key level is here. So, I'll be looking to enter a short position somewhere in this zone. Based on the 4-hour and 1-hour charts, a short is looking pretty good. If the price breaks above that 4-hour swing high on the 4-hour chart, my short strategy is out the window. I'll switch to a long bias. If the price drops without giving me a good entry, I'm just going to ignore it. The price is nearing the daily chart's last swing low, and trying to short here is like trying to pet a grumpy badger. It's a bad idea. I just made 100 pips, but I'm mentally exhausted from that trade. Plus, it's the weekend. I'm going to decide whether to trade today based on my spirit level. If my trading soul is full, I'll go for it. If not, I'll chill. But if your soul is full of fire, go for it. Oh, and if I come up with a different strategy or the market changes, I'll post about it on my blog. Just for your reference. Alright, that's all for today. I'm going to keep posting videos about market analysis and my trading journey. If you're interested, please subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment. See you guys next time.